These are first impressions and I'm so looking forward to wearing them. Hi travellers, I'm Ian's daughter Laleko and I'm so excited! My Allbirds came! So I bought these on Pals, which is the English version of Taobao. I've got a link in the description box below. So these are the tree runners. These have been around for years. These are nothing new. What's nice though is this particular link and the way that I've bought them are much cheaper and I'm so excited. You see other people do reviews of this, they're like, they're the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn and you can throw them in the washing machine. These are not the merino ones, which, you know, I've done a lot of reviews on merino clothing. I'm a Kiwi, you know I love my merino. These are actually a bamboo fabric with the tree runners. So I intend on using these as everyday shoes. Basically I'm going to wear these to work. I didn't want to buy them in white. Whose idea is that? But purely because of the size limitations, I would have preferred the black. They're made of eucalyptus tree fibre. So yeah, you can get the ones that are made of merino, which obviously I would prefer. The socks I wear are merino socks. They are definitely lightweight. They're made in Vietnam and China. So pleased. I wear them to work tomorrow. So this is just a first impressions obviously and out of the box. So yeah, well pleased. The insert comes out so you can wash these. I don't wear socks typically in summer. And I just use Grand's Remedy, which I think is another New Zealand product. It's just like it's like a talcum powder style product that you just throw in your shoes and you just need to repeat it a few times and then it stops the smell. I've used that for years and that's pretty much why I don't wear socks. Also because, you know, some of those little like secret socks, that silicone strip does not stay on all day. So people have said that they're the most comfortable shoes ever. As I'm just lacing up the laces, they are pretty soft. So you can see through, and I definitely heard other people that have had these before say that this is what wears out first, like your toe comes right through it, and actually like without even socks on you can literally see my big toe there. I wouldn't size up though. So they're definitely true to size, which is great. This is the chalk one. I've previously shown my Supergas, how I wash them and turn them back to white. They're actually the last white sneaker that I had and I've since got rid of them just because I wore them too deep. Months of use. You can see how I'm in with some Napisan. And I don't know if you need pillowcase, but I am anyway. And then I'm just going to dry it out in the sun. The second day of them drying in the sun, so not all of the brown black pollution life has come off, but I think for the rest, like the laces are looking fantastic down the side. So I'm just leaving them to dry in the sun. They're still a bit wet inside and these brilliant forward flying. But in terms of once you get to your destination, yeah, you need to check the weather because, yeah, they might not be suitable. I want these to work. So, yeah, they haven't come up as white as I was expecting